how does an unactivated Windows license affect you? Imagine turning on your computer and seeing a message that says you can still use Windows, but something is missing. That's what happens when your Windows license isn't activated. You might think, does it really matter? Well, it does, and here is why. Even without activation, Windows still lets you do basic things like opening applications, browsing the internet, and managing files. You can install most third-party software and use your computer for everyday tasks. But there are some restrictions that can make your experience less smooth. One of the biggest annoyances is the inability to personalize your computer. You won't be able to change your desktop background, pick a custom theme, or modify colors and fonts. If you try, Windows will remind you that activation is needed. Features like dark mode, which many people enjoy, are also unavailable until you activate your license. You will also see a watermark in the bottom right corner of your screen that says Activate Windows. This message stays there all the time and can be distracting. You will get pop-up reminders asking you to activate Windows, which can interrupt your work or entertainment. When it comes to updates, you are still able to receive critical security patches, but many optional updates and new feature updates are blocked. This means your system might miss out on important improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. Over time, this can make your computer more vulnerable to viruses and malware. Some Microsoft services and apps may also be limited. For example, you might not be able to download certain apps from the Microsoft Store or use premium features that requiring a valid license. This can restrict your access to the full range of tools and services Microsoft offers. Running an unactivated Windows license is technically legal for personal use, but it violates Microsoft's end-user license agreement. If you're using Windows in a business or organization, not activating it can cause compliance issues and potential legal problems. For casual users, an unactivated Windows might be enough for basic tasks, but the limitations become more noticeable over time. For businesses, schools, or anyone relying on Windows for work, activation is necessary to unlock full functionality, security, and compliance. In short, an unactivated Windows license lets you run the system but comes with restrictions. Personalization options are limited, updates are restricted, and some features are unavailable. Plus, it's important to activate your license to stay within legal boundaries and keep your system secure. Activation unlocks the full potential of your Windows operating system, making your experience smoother and safer.